William Perry's theory. Perry focused on adult development, but specifically as it applied to young adult students. He believed that young adults develop as they change their perspective from the belief in absolute truth to one of multiple truths. He listed 9 steps of development that make up this progression. Let's follow Peter as he develops through those 9 stages. When Peter arrives in college, he is under the assumption that authorities know everything. This is the first stage for young adults. Peter has spent his young life always believing and following the orders of those in authority, like his teachers, coach, and parents. As the year progresses, Peter enters the second stage as he disagrees with the opinion of one of his professors. He starts to believe that only true authorities are correct. This means that others, like Peter's professor, are not true authorities and therefore incorrect. Toward the end of the year, Peter sees that his favorite professor didn't have all the answers to class questions. He is now in the third stage of recognizing that all authorities might not know everything, but they are seeking out the truth. Through his other classes, Peter discovers that a few of his professors think differently and that they are looking for students to find out the answer for themselves, rather than being told the answer to memorize. He has now entered the fourth stage in development. When Peter takes a philosophy class the next year, he has to deal with some difficult hypothetical situations, and his classmates have different opinions on how they should be solved. Peter now understands that everything is relative, though not equally valid, as some answers are better than others. After a meeting with his advisor on his major, Peter realizes that he has to make his own decisions, rather than leaning on the opinions of authority figures around him. There are now 2 actions Peter can take. He makes a first commitment of his own when he tells his parents he will study philosophy and possibly go to law school afterward. Then, Peter makes other commitments over the next few years of sharing his personal thoughts in classes with friends and family. The 9th stage involves Peter owning his personal opinions while also being ready to learn from others. Peter displays the fulfillment of the stage as he openly shares his thoughts in classes and listens to hear what his professors and peers have to say.